Guys, we're gonna play Pinoy Replace Tower. Cause I'm a Filipino girl, so yeah, I make many. Yep, and this is the one that we make. So you can see like this, and that's it. Like this. Okay, this is the new one. This is the new one. If you did not play this one.
Pero what if namimiss ka rin niya? Namimiss ka rin niya, pero ayaw ka na lang niya talagang balikan. Kasi natatakot siya baka maulit yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Natatakot siya na maranasan niya ulit. Kung ano man yung na-feel niya noon.
So it's funny. We can. So wait a minute. Habang update tapos na kayo mga post sa YouTube, TikTok, oh my god, nag-cry na si Kukut. Hi Kukut. I'ma backshot you. Ouch. And by the way, meron din dito. Oh. If you are a Malaysian, please don't watch this if you are Malaysian. Yeah, by the way, I don't wanna get it because I feel like
Huwag kang magpapakabaliw sa taong hindi ka naman minahal. Sapagkat kung hindi mo pahahalagahan ang sarili mo,
you. Oh my god. Sure. Yep, sure. Mama. Or na kay mamis. What? Yep. Hindi kita miss this. If you're Indonesia people, don't watch this. Only Filipinos. Okay, and this is why you cannot. What if means? Guys, look at this.
Kasi what if? What if sayang lang naman talaga yung oras mo?
So we are gonna finish this tower. If you are Filipino, this is the game name is Pinoy Replace Tower. Yeah, it will be replaced by that. And okay, if this what if just go away and you can just like this, okay? Okay, like this, okay? So we're gonna finish the tower. I know how to walk up though. And by the way, where is that? It's never. Not working. It's not working. The wall hook never works. At if ikaw ang pa-plan yung pero emotional support ang pala. Poor naman oh. Wawa naman poor naman siya. If you are Malaysian, please don't watch this. Only Filipinos. What if nag-record kasama din tao? Oo, ganun din ako. What if naman ko na si ate ko? Wawa naman hindi. Kawawa naman si Naruto. What if ikaw ang naging hero in man, kawawa sila. Kaya wag ka mag-hak-hak dyan. Ay baka masumpok ko mukha mo. What if hindi ka niya minahal pero nagpapakasaya ka sa ilusyon? Man, kawawa sila. What if iniwasan mong masaktan pero mas masaktan ka sa paglayo? Kang maggawa nito, kawawa sila. Ginagamit. Ito kasi pinakard kasi yung game na ito. Oh my god. Tignan ko muna kami. No! Aliyo! Pero wala na yung what if yun. What if sayang lang talaga. Dapat nabara na yung what if. Ito pa ako nalaglag doon. No, nalaglag na naman ako. It's okay yung nalaglag but that broken heart. Hello, Diyos ko, Lord. Broken heart pa sila. Bucha ka, te. Tutrolls ko talaga ikaw, te. Te. Okay, ito naman mapipilis ng tao na yan. Kaya nila matutuloy sila dito. Ay,
Kasi what if